Look, my mom bought me these jeans, but they're way too skinny on me.
I mean, I understand they look like skinny jeans. Hold up, these cute hipster girls are in my psych class. Chill.
Hey guys.
What's up?
Nothing much.
You must have some pretty sweet stuff in your backpack to lock it up like that.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. And it keeps my stuff safe.
So what do you do when two hipster girls think something you're wearing is cool?
You give them the answer they're looking for.
It's the Master Lock 1550 backpack lock. Maybe you should get one.